Alright, let's be real here. We all enjoy binge watching Netflix and watching videos for hours on end just because we have nothing to do, right? Well, while I was wasting so much time on that, I recently discovered that you can make money by watching videos online. For the majority of the time, you'd even get to choose what video you'd like to watch. We know it's hard to believe, but check out how much I've already received just by watching videos. Now that's definitely something. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to earn money just by watching videos from the comfort of your own home as a complete beginner. This is a step-by-step tutorial on how to make money online, and it starts now. We are going to show you how you're going to get started for completely free. You won't need any skills, experience, or money to get you started. So when I say free, I mean free. Anyone and everyone can do this job. Of course, I'm going to be naming the 3 best platforms to make the most out of the money that you're making and make sure that you're earning some decent money as well. And the last but most important thing that I would be including in today's video is how to properly cash out the money that you've made through PayPal, because when I make money, I need to make sure that I'm able to cash it out and to be able to say that you've received your payment. So I'm going to let you know how to do that as well. So make sure that you watch this entire video until the very last second of it to know everything that you need to know and to come out successful with today's method. Hey y'all, it's Digital Money Queen here. If it's your first time on this channel, welcome. I'm so glad that you're here. And if it's not your first time, then welcome back. I'm so happy to see you again. If you aren't subscribed yet, don't forget to click the subscribe button down below to be a part of the family and hit the notification bell beside it to be notified every time I have a new video up and ready for you. Don't forget to like this video and let's jump right into it. So proceed by going onto the search engine of your choice and then typing in the first website that we're going to show you today, and that is grabpoints.com. As soon as you type that in, this is what you're going to have to see on your screen. Now, grabpoints.com has a lot of earning methods like taking paid surveys, watching videos, completing offers, and downloading apps, but since my main focus for today's video is watching videos, that is what we're going to be discussing. The payout threshold for grabpoints.com is $5. That is not too bad. That's actually a pretty low payout threshold, especially because there are some websites that only allow you to cash out if you've already earned up to $10 or so. So that's a pretty good factor. Now, to get you started, I want you to sign up on this website so that you can get into your account and see what it's supposed to look like inside. Now, I'm just going to log into mine so we can show you an example. So this is what it's supposed to look like inside your account. The first thing that you will see are some surveys that you need to answer to earn. And if you scroll down, you will see more earning methods. So if you look over to the left side of the webpage, you'll see earn points, and then under earn points are home, surveys, watch, and offers. So right now we are on the home page. So let's go ahead and click watch so we can start watching to start earning. By the way, make sure that you keep watching to find out which platform would be the best platform out of all the 5 that we've mentioned. For now, let's discuss the first one on our list. Also, make sure that you pay attention carefully because there are steps you need to closely follow in order to actually get paid by watching videos. Now, continuing on, once you click on watch, it will redirect you to this page, and this is how it's supposed to look like. Now, we want you to hover on top of these 2 options because you'll see the exact instructions or offer details. Then you can choose which offer you like the most so you can start watching. And for this video, we're going to choose Lootably. Once you've clicked on that, you'll be redirected again to this next tab wherein you will see all the videos that you need to start watching with their respective points beside it that you will earn by watching the video. Now we're gonna go ahead and choose a random video to watch. And then once you've made your choice, you're gonna then be redirected to another tab, but make sure you don't click off because you're almost there, okay? Once you arrive at the new tab, they're going to ask you to sign up so that they can actually track your videos and actually pay you. Now we'll just go ahead and log into our account so I can show you what you're gonna see once you've signed up. Now you'll see all of the recommended videos for you to watch and earn from. Then, once you've chosen the video you want to watch, click on that and then start watching and earning. It's as easy as 1, 2, 3. So that's basically our first website. Now, a little disclaimer, before I continue on, you might not make $1,000 by doing this, but you can surely make a couple of dollars on each site, which will still help you earn a decent amount of money if you can do it properly and follow the steps that I'm giving. So that is it for our very first platform. Now let's move on to our second platform. Our second website is called inboxdollars.com. Now this is a pretty well-known website and a lot of people are actually on this website to make money by watching videos. Just from simply signing up, you can already make $5 as a sign-up bonus, which means that this website is definitely better than the first website that we've discussed. We don't want to trick you into thinking that you can immediately cash out the $5 because you're actually going to need $10 to be able to cash out, so you still need more than the $5. As you can see on the homepage, it says that you can be rewarded for watching TV, taking surveys, and shopping and cash offers. But in this video, we're focusing on watching videos, so we're only going to focus on earning rewards from watching TV. So let's go ahead and see how this website actually works. So it says here that brands pay them for consumer input. We recruit members like you. You are also going to be doing online activities, namely paid surveys, paid videos and TV, redeeming free food and grocery coupons, paid shopping, and more. But like we mentioned, we're going to take a close look at the paid videos and TV part because that is the main focus of today's video. And lastly, you can really earn cash and not points or coupons or whatever else you may be thinking through this website. As we scroll down on this website, you're going to discover how to actually earn this money. And all of this information is provided by the website itself. Since we're focusing on watching videos, we should read the watch videos information. And it says that big brand companies want consumers to watch short snippets of their content like movie trailers or new product features. So they pay us and we share a portion of those earnings with you. It is very clear from the given statement that you're receiving a part of their payment, and that's how you get paid through this method. So if you sign up right now using this purple sign up button that you will find at the most bottom part of the page, you will get a $5 sign up bonus straight away, and then you need to make another $5, maybe through watching videos this time, in order to cash out the full $10 that you've completed or have made. This is a pretty fair way to earn some good amount of online money, and this platform has been operating since the year 2000, which indicates how legit they are as a money-making website and that it is a website that you can trust and that you can actually make real money from. If you're liking this video so far, then I suggest that you give me a 2 thumbs up before the video ends later on so that I'll know you reached this part of the video. And subscribe if you still aren't subscribed to join the family. Now let's get back into the video. Let's type into this third one, which is called swagbucks.com. Now, most of you probably already know or maybe have an idea about this website since it is pretty famous. But if you don't, then I'm going to give you a rundown on how this website works and how you can actually start making money. On this website, you can earn free gift cards and cash for the daily things that you do online. You'll see that under Earn Points, you are given a few options on how to earn, and then you will see that through this website, you can watch entertaining videos as a way of earning points, among others. But like we always mention, we are focusing on making money through watching videos, so you can do that on this platform as well. The points that you earn by watching videos can be sent to you as cash, and you can actually cash out from PayPal. If you want to earn a gift card, then that will work out as well. But if you really just want to stick with cash earnings, then there's no problem with that either. Again, you don't make thousands off of watching videos on this website or the previous websites discussed, but you can make a decent amount of money where it's legit and real. So if you want to sign up on this website, you can simply click the sign up button, which is at the bottom of the page, and it is completely free and it is fast and easy to follow. You can immediately start as soon as you're done watching this video. Thanks for watching, y'all. I hope you enjoyed today's video because I definitely enjoyed discovering and creating it. If you want to see more videos, don't forget to subscribe to the channel before clicking off because my next video is going to be awesome and you wouldn't want to miss that. Please give me 2 thumbs up to show me your love and hit the bell button so that you'll be kept up to date.